Good morning, everybody, and thank you for joining in. We're on episode number 8 of Real Estate Cafe. I'm glad to be back with you. I'm your host, Waylon Chavez, owner and qualifying broker of ABQ Premiere Properties, Albuquerque's premier full-service real estate company where we help people sell, buy, and invest. We're a local company here, so we would appreciate your support. So today's episode, what we're going to get into is answering the question, do you need a representative of your own when you're going to a new home builder? And the answer simply is yes. But before we get into that, let's do the last week's update. Let's get into the weekly update. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm just trying to see the comments there. If you're joining us here live on the stream, please comment below, say hello. Hope you all are doing well. We took a break last Friday. I had some prior engagements that I had to attend, but I'm back now. So let's get into it. So within the last week, the last market update in the Albuquerque area, there's currently 362 active homes on the market. 226 are pending, which means they have received a contract, they have received a contract to purchase. 159 have closed within the last week. The average sales price was $285,633 for here in the Albuquerque metro area. So that's a great average sales price here. So if you're wondering what your home would sell for in your neighborhood, this is just a general overlook of the whole Albuquerque metro area. So if you're wondering what your home would sell for, please reach out to us. The number's there, 505-712-1340, and we can definitely help you. Either myself or one of our great realtors that we have on our team here at ABQ Premiere Properties. And the average days on market is 20 days on the market. So, the homes are going quick. A lot of them are receiving multiple offers, and even some of them are still receiving over list priced offers. And as far as Rio Rancho goes, there's 101 active in Rio Rancho, 74 pending within the last week, 55 have closed within the last week, and their average sales price was $289,373, and the average days on market in Rio Rancho is 13. So you can still see the market's going good. I talked with one of my preferred lenders this morning, Lou Gutierrez with Loan Depot, and he instructed me and let me know that the interest rates are going up, and it's kind of funny to say they're in the threes now. So they are going up and rising a little bit. So if you are considering either refinancing or purchasing, I would highly recommend you reach out to us today. We can put you in the right direction. We can have that consultation, see if purchasing is right for you, seeing if refinancing is right for you, and then we can help you and make that move forward. Because here at ABQ Premiere Properties, we're your community agents, we're your home selling experts, and we're here to educate and be the resource for you. We want to make sure that you're educated, you know what's going on in the market, so you can make a better informed decision for yourself. So reach out to us, 505-712-1340. Now let's get into today's topic, I guess I should say. Before we do that, what are you guys drinking today? I got me a new coffee. It's called 8 in the morning or 8 o'clock in the morning. It's not bad. It's kind of light, but still loving my real estate podcast swag. So share with me in the comments what you guys are drinking this morning. What's your favorite drink? And let's get into it. So many times people drive around on the weekends, start looking at new homes. They talk to the person in the office, and before they know it, they're sitting there writing a contract. But what I want to do here is I want to give you some perspective and let you know why you need a buyer's representative for you. Because when you walk into that home, just like when you see a sign in a yard, that person is working for the seller. You need somebody who's going to be looking out for your best interest. And here at ABQ Premiere Properties, we've gone the extra mile, and we have a link that I'm going to post in the comments that you can search brand new homes right from your phone, your smartphone, or your computer. That way you don't have to be driving around everywhere. You don't have to waste that gas and get into something. We all get excited when we see something new. They're going to make it work for us. They're going to give you so much to closing costs. They make it sound very, very good. And then, like I said, before you know it, you're sitting there writing a contract, and 3 or 4 hours after you leave, you're like, oh, geez, what did I do? Who's going to be looking out for my best interest is probably the least on your mind, because you've just spent $300,000 to $400,000 on a new home. You may have a home to sell. You may have to get out of a lease. So working with an agent and specifically us here at ABQ Premier Properties, what we want to do is educate you. We want to let you know what's going on. We want to be there in your corner so we can navigate you through that process and make sure it's the right decision for you. So your agent is critical when it comes to buying new home construction. As real estate professional is an expert who can advocate on behalf of you in your behalf throughout the process. Agents help you understand every detail, such as materials, the time frame, and warranties. There's so much going on when you purchase a new home that it's hard for you to keep up with. And that's why we come into play, because we can actually negotiate with the builder. Yes, the builders can be negotiated with also. When you go in, it doesn't mean that whatever the set price is and whatever their terms are means what goes for the deal. That's why you need somebody in your corner working out and looking for your best interest, because just like I said, when you walk into that home builder, that agent in that model home is working for the builder. So their best interest is the builder and to get them the best deal, not you. So that being said, that's why you need to reach out to an agent and make sure somebody's there for you in your corner. And what I would suggest is reach out to us even before you're considering going to the model homes, because we can escort you there, and we are very knowledgeable of the builders in the area. We can maybe cut down some of that search time just by you telling us your needs and wants, and going out from there. And like I said, we do have that website that you can go to and look directly from your smartphone or directly from your computer before you even drive around the city and waste your gas and get into a situation that you may have buyer's remorse later on. And as far as materials, when they give you that big sheet of paperwork and you have that big old contract and it's like 60 or 70 pages, you have no clue what's going on. And in there are certain materials that they list that they're going to use. And that's important because you can reference that back later when you go do a walkthrough and you have your pre-inspection or your pre-walkthroughs at different phases of the build. Your agent can make sure those materials that were stated in the contract are in there, or having better materials in there. Time frame, just like I said, there's going to be certain time frames and certain walkthroughs that you are able to attend and go through at different parts of the build. So your agent will set that up, keep you in the loop, so you don't have to worry about that. Or worst case scenario, you don't forget about it and miss it, and the builder continues to move on. And with warranties, we've been getting a lot of complaints with some different home builders that the warranties that they're giving the buyers a runaround on warranties. So we want to be there for you to service you even after the deal. We want to be there as your go-to person and as your first call in all things real estate, even after the deal has closed. Because if something happens to your home and the builder maybe gives you the runaround on the warranty, that's not a good thing, because their first priority is getting people in. They want to sell as many homes as they can, as quick as they can. So their focus is on that. It's not about the servicing, and it's not about following through with the customer if they have an issue with problems. 9 times out of 10, what they tell the buyers is, well, you have a good warranty from a year. They kind of use the used car method. It's a bumper to bumper warranty. So what we suggest is let everything go for a year and call us about 9 months or 10 and we'll get out. Well, what we've been seeing is buyers have been doing that, and lo and behold, the builder has not been responding in a timely manner and doesn't respond till after their first year. So they're trying to tell them, well, it's after your first year warranty, it's not covered anymore. So that's why you need somebody in your corner working for you. One of the biggest things I can do too is stress to you that why you need somebody, also a realtor in your corner, because you're going to go to a design center and you're going to select upgrades. And let's say you're approved for a certain amount, but you go in there and it's great, it's exciting, it's fun. And when you start picking things for your new home, you want to do it, but we tend to forget everything that we pick has a cost. And it's going to charge you, and it's going to make that price go up. And sometimes it could go over and above what you wanted to spend. Because what we do here at ABQ Premiere Properties is we have a consultation with our buyers before we go out and take them to move. And we educate them and let them know, just because you're approved for 300 or 400,000 does not mean you have to spend every single penny of that. What are you comfortable at spending every month? Because remember, when you go from renting to purchasing, your property taxes are included, your homeowner's insurance, and most times mortgage insurance. So that's going to make your payment go up. But the good thing about it is most of that is tax deductible. So that's why when you go in and you're selecting upgrades, you got to keep that in mind, because they charge everything's an upgrade nowadays, from a light fixture to, of course, carpeting, tile, stuff like that. But just little things as switches and doorknobs and like I said, light fixtures is an upgrade. And the more you do that, say you have 5 homes in a room, that's 5 times you're paying for that, and that's going to jack up your price a lot. So you want to be very mindful of that, and having somebody like a realtor from ABQ Premier Properties help you and guide you through that is very beneficial. um, Again, like I said, negotiations. So many people think you can go into a home builder and whatever price they have set, whatever their terms are, is set in stone, and it's not. You can negotiate with the builder, especially if there's been a home that's been on inventory and they haven't sold it yet. You are in a better negotiating position when you work with a realtor that knows this and knows how to work in your best interest for that. So welcome again, everybody. Just going to reset the podcast here. You're listening to podcast number 8 of the Real Estate Cafe with Waylon Chavez of ABQ Premiere Properties. And today we're talking about, do you need to buy a representative when you go into a new build home? And the answer is yes. So we'll continue here and dealing with roadblocks. Something is always going to come up. Nothing's ever going to come smooth. I've had a client that went to a builder before they consulted with me. They went to the builder, they purchased a home, and they were supposed to close in 6 months. Lo and behold, 10 months later, they still hadn't closed. So if they had an agent there working, they could have averted this disaster from the beginning and got with the builder and got with the superintendents and the bosses that are in charge to take care of this and rectify the problem. So they wasted 10 months of their life living out of a storage, living out of a 2-bedroom apartment, thinking they were going to get a brand new home. And when they finally did contact me, we worked some stuff out. They ended up canceling the contract there, and we went and went another avenue, and we got them into their home within 45 days. So that is the importance of having a knowledgeable real estate expert working for you in your corner. What I always tell people is, people always visit their doctor and their accountant once a year. The same goes for the real estate agent. People tend to think, well, I already bought my home, I don't need my agent no more. But we're here as an advocate for you and a trusted advisor to help you be that resource, to not only when you're buying or selling, but helping you with follow up and follow through. So a real estate professional is an expert who can advocate on your behalf throughout the building process. Remember, the agent in the builder's office works for the builder, not you. And I want to follow up with that and say that's also true for when you drive around and you see a home that has a sign in the yard and you call that, and that's ours included. We tend to, if somebody calls on our sign and say, I have it listed, I will refer it to one of my agents in the office. That way that client and that customer on both sides, the seller and the buyer side, is being represented solely by themselves and not having a quote unquote double agent. So we want to have the customers and clients' best interest at all times and in every deal. So agents help you understand key concepts like choosing upgrades, managing negotiations while staying within your budget from start to finish. Like I went over earlier, you're approved for so much, you go to the design studio, you get happy and excited, the adrenaline gets going, and you just want to make your house the best it can. But coming out of that, you can have 70 or 80,000 in just upgrades. So that can really knock you out of purchasing the home. So what I would encourage you to do is, if you're interested in anything real estate and you have any questions, that's what we are here for. We have a great team of professionals. You have myself, Waylon Chavez. We have Jerry Nacy, who has just come up with us. And we have a tremendous young lady who's just coming up with us named Anita Avila, who's going to be on the podcast next week with us to introduce herself. But we have a great team of professionals. That's our real estate team. But we also have a great team of vendors such as inspectors, lenders, appraisers, credit repair people, whatever it is you may need, we have. So we want you to contact us here at ABQ Premiere Properties. We're your Albuquerque's full service real estate company where we can help you and be your resource for life. So thank you so much for joining me on the podcast today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We're on Apple Podcasts, or you can go to realestatecafepodcast.com and subscribe there. Please share this with somebody you think that it would benefit them. If you know anybody who's maybe considering purchasing a new home, please share this with them. Let them know we're here to serve and we're here to help. Give them our contact information, and we will love to talk to them. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I hope everything's going great, and we will talk to you all soon.